Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Quartz and I'm back with another video today here at AZ Tech Doctors. Today we have in an OptiPlex 7050. This small computer is very powerful to be this small. I can tell you that a lot of businesses uses this computer, but this computer is checked in today because the M.2 in it went bad. So today we will be replacing the M.2. I'm gonna just show y'all the inside of it. Show y'all how I take out the M.2 and put a new one in. I probably won't show you guys the process of installing Windows, but if you do want to see the process of how to install Windows on a computer, put a comment below and I'll make a video on how exactly do you put Windows on a computer. But this computer is it's a Windows 11. I think this is a i5, i5 V Pro. It's a very nice, powerful computer. So, keep watching. I'm gonna show y'all the inside of this. I hope y'all enjoy the video. All right, so this is the OptiPlex. That's the front of it. Got the power button, USB-C port, USB port, or USB 3.0 port. And then in the back you have a display port. HDMI display port for USB 3.0. And then an Ethernet port as well as the Wi-Fi antenna, which I just took off so I can open up the back as well. All right, so first thing we're gonna do, this has a little screw here that you could take off, unscrew with your finger. And it doesn't come all the way out, it just loosens up that much. So once you unscrew that screw, basically what you wanna do, I'm gonna sit it down here, you just wanna just slide this up. Well, actually I'm gonna do it sitting it up in my hands, but you just slide it up like that to the front. Just pop straight off, just like that, pop straight off. This I'm gonna just sit to the side. Now, inside of here, you have the M.2, which is here. You have the Wi-Fi antenna with the cable that's going to there. So that's the Wi-Fi adapter. You have the CPU fan and the CPU. Then you had a CPU and then you had a graphics card and everything under this with the processor. So if you lift that up by clicking these two clips here, under here you have basically the processor right here. Got some dust in there. Then you got two sticks of RAM in here as well. This computer looked like it had about 16 gigs of RAM, which is normally what we tell our customers that we need to have. We also resell these type of computers. So 16 gigs of RAM, M.2, which is the 128 gig. We're going to upgrade this M.2 to a 512 gigabyte M.2. So to replace the M.2, basically you want a Phillips screwdriver. And it's coming from my toolkit. I love this toolkit, by the way. It comes with 155 pieces you could order from Amazon. It also has an electric screwdriver as well, but for this I wouldn't need it for this because it's a small screw. But I would recommend that you guys purchase this if you're in the tech industry. It charges via USB-C. It helps out, it speeds up the process a lot, especially if you're working with PS5s or Xboxes or game consoles, things that have a lot of screws in there. This would definitely help speed up that process. I brought this one for, I believe, 40 to 30 bucks or something like that. It wasn't too expensive, but again, I'll put the link in the comments below. All right, so what you want to do is just that one Phillips screw that's in there. So you just take that screw out. And this is going to be a fast video. So one small screw, it's like very small. So I took that screw out and this just pops straight out. This is the old M.2, which is bad. We did copy off all the data from the M.2 for the customer already. So they don't have any issues with that. We already put the data onto another computer. All right, so now you're gonna take the new one, pop that in. That goes just like that. I think that's the one that fits it. Yep, it is. All right, that pops in like that. And you're gonna put that screw back in, like that. Okay, and so from there, we're just gonna take this. Everything is good. I blew this out already. We're just gonna pop this back on. And this is very easy to go back on. Just pop it on, push in, tighten back up the screw on the back, like this. and then you're all good to go. You plug it in, install Windows on it, and the customer is back good. So this is how easy this is to replace this M.2. All right, so we got everything back into this. We tighten up that back screw, and basically I'm gonna get this plugged in, and I'm going to get the operating system reinstalled back on here, and then this will be ready to go. It's pretty easy repair on this. I love these OptiPlexes. These are very strong. If y'all want to purchase OptiPlexes or Lenovo Minis or anything like that, leave a comment below or visit our website at www.aztechdoctors.com, and we'll for sure be able to supply you with some of these as well. If you like this video, please comment below. Please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good morning, evening, or afternoon, whenever you're watching this video. But thank y'all for watching. Have a good day.